Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ikra Bhatt here and I'll show you a new style of bread and fried egg in breakfast. This thing which I'm using a large egg. I'm using one egg, 2 pinch of black pepper, 2 pinch of salt, 4 tablespoon of oil, 1 yolk egg, 1 white egg. I'm using mayonnaise, 3 pieces of bread. So let's get started. First of all, I'm using a piece of bread and I'm cutting in the center of the bread. As you can see, it's ready. So let's start to make egg. First of all, I'm using one large egg. I'm adding in the pan. I'm adding oil into the pan. Add one large egg. I'm changing the side of the egg. Then I'm adding white egg. Now it's ready. Then I'm adding yellow egg into the pan. Now I'm using mayonnaise into the pieces. Now I'm cutting into the pieces one by one, set into the bread and place another bread piece. Now I'm using white egg and place another bread of piece. Now I'm adding yolk egg. I'm using 1 pinch of black pepper, 1 pinch of salt. Now adding the last piece of bread. Now it's ready to serve. It's very yummy and very easy. Please try it and tell me how it is. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.